Tell me a little bit about, first of all, how a reverse mortgage works.
Well, several different things. You've got to first be at least 62 years of age before you can even begin to think about obtaining a reverse mortgage. From there, it's really set up as either a line of credit type situation where you can access the equity in your home, or it can be set up as a lump sum where you can get all the money up front, or a combination of those two factors, and you can get monthly advances where the lender pays the borrower in that situation, the reverse of what you have with a traditional mortgage.
What was your main goal for doing the reverse mortgage?
To be able to stay in my home, plus get some more cash money.
No,
because I was really struggling. My husband died in 1970, and I had 3 children, so I had been through a lot, 3 college educations and weddings, 2 of those. So I was struggling.
As we got inquiries from our members and we started studying what reverse mortgage was, we learned a lot about it by going out on the internet and researching and those types of things, and found that it wasn't the cheapest loan that you could get. There's a lot of fees and costs associated with it. We found that there was a demographic out there and there was going to be a demand for it going forward, so that kind of piqued some of our interest. And then from there we decided this is something maybe we ought to offer our members, and began to develop the product that we put in place.
How would you rate the credit union's reverse mortgage as far as, fees and just general about our reverse mortgage?
Well, I don't have as many fees, which is nice. The interest on it kept going up or down, up or down. There was a limit as to how high it could go. With the credit union, it's a higher interest rate than I wanted to have, but it will always be the same. It's made it so nice. I don't have to worry about my bills. And if I decide I want to put a roof on my house, I've got the money. Or if I want to splurge and go out to eat, I can do it. I'm not confined. I still never will be somebody who can just spend their money, but it gives me a freedom of not worrying about my bills. And I was really worrying about them.
Well, I think it makes us feel pretty good that we've been able to improve the life of that, in this case, that particular member, but there probably would be others that, if they were willing to share their story, would tell us some of the same things, that they don't feel that tight constraint now, that they have a little extra breathing room as a result of having obtained a reverse mortgage through the credit union. So we're pleased that